If I have to give one piece of advice to teachers, it would be not to be afraid to make mistakes. Switching from regular teaching to distance learning is hard also for teachers. You have to switch around the entire way you work. You have to try new things. It's not a bad thing if you fail. Learn from it, improve your next lesson. It'll only make you stronger, and your pupils will definitely appreciate that you are making an effort to make their learning process better. One piece of advice to pupils concerning distance learning would be to kick out all the games of your computer, to take away all the distractions in the room you are working, because they are very time consuming. If I could give one piece of advice to policymakers, I would say make sure that you provide all the necessary equipment that is needed for distance learning scenarios to as well teachers as pupils. From a distance, I would like to say goodbye to you all and hope to speak to you all again in real life after the COVID breakdowns.